Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enhance your video transitions with motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the two clips you want to transition between and place them on the timeline with a slight overlap. Go to the Effects panel and choose a transform effect for both clips by dragging it from the Effects panel onto each clip. In the Effects Controls panel, uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and increase the shutter angle to 180 degrees or more for both clips. This will add motion blur to your transition. With the first video selected, go to the Effect Controls panel and adjust the video's position right at the end. Make the starting keyframe 10 frames away from the end of the video. Adjust the position to go out of the screen in the way that you want. Just make sure the transition to the next video happens in the same direction. Next, adjust the position of the second video using the same settings. Start the position 10 frames away from the start of the video and out of the screen. Preview your transition to see the motion blur effect in action. Adjust the shutter angle if needed to achieve the desired look. And that's how you enhance video transitions with motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.